Welcome to Auto Magazine channel, and today we are diving into reviewing the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed. But first, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more exciting reviews. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed is the pinnacle of grand touring luxury and performance, an automotive masterpiece that seamlessly marries exquisite craftsmanship with unrelenting power. At first glance, the bold, muscular stance of the Continental GT Speed is unmistakable. Bentley's iconic matrix grille dominates the front fascia, flanked by sleek LED headlights that exude sophistication. The sculpted lines of the bodywork flow seamlessly into the widened rear haunches, giving the car a poised, athletic appearance. Distinctive 22-inch wheels and exclusive speed badging hint at its unparalleled performance pedigree. Under the hood lies Bentley's legendary twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 plug-in hybrid engine, now enhanced to deliver an awe-inspiring 771 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this powertrain catapults the GT Speed from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and achieves a top speed of 208 miles per hour. The engineering excellence doesn't stop at raw power. Bentley has fine-tuned the chassis to offer a dynamic driving experience. Advanced all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, and a torque-nectaring electronic differential ensure the GT Speed remains agile and composed, whether carving through mountain roads or cruising at high speeds on the Autobahn. The adaptive air suspension and Bentley's 48-volt dynamic ride system work in harmony to balance comfort and performance. This system actively counters body roll, ensuring the car remains flat and controlled during spirited driving. Yet, it can seamlessly transition to provide a serene, plush ride when desired. The Continental GT Speed's driving modes, Comfort, Bentley, and Sport, allow the driver to tailor the experience to their preference, making it equally suited for relaxed long-distance journeys or thrilling drives. Step inside and you are enveloped in a world of opulence that only Bentley can deliver. The interior is a showcase of handcrafted excellence, featuring the finest materials sourced from around the globe. Diamond-quilted leather upholstery, polished wood veneers, and knurled metal finishes create an ambience of timeless luxury. The GT Speed offers near-limitless customization options, allowing owners to personalize everything from stitching patterns to dashboard veneers. Exclusive to the Speed model, the cabin features Speed insignias embroidered on the seats and a bespoke two-tone color scheme that underscores its sporty character. The infotainment system, centered around a 12.3-inch rotating touchscreen, combines cutting-edge technology with classic Bentley aesthetics. The display can retract to reveal 3 elegant analog gauges, emphasizing the brand's heritage. Connectivity features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a top-tier navigation system, ensuring the Continental GT Speed is as modern as it is luxurious. Audiophiles will appreciate the available Naim sound system, which transforms the cabin into a concert hall with its 2,200-watt output and 18 speakers. Safety and driver assistance technologies are integral to the 2025 Continental GT Speed, providing peace of mind alongside performance. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and night vision are just a few of the advanced systems included. Bentley's innovative touring specification package enhances these capabilities, adding features such as predictive adaptive cruise control and a head-up display. Parking in tight spaces is made effortless with a 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist. The Continental GT Speed is not just about performance and luxury, it's also a testament to Bentley's commitment to sustainability. The Y12 engine, despite its immense power, is designed to meet stringent emission standards, while the brand continues to explore hybrid and electric solutions for future models. The craftsmanship inside the cabin also reflects this ethos, with responsibly sourced materials and eco-friendly production processes. In terms of practicality, the Continental GT Speed remains a true grand tourer. The spacious trunk offers enough room for 2 large suitcases, making it perfect for weekend getaways. The seats, while sculpted for support during spirited driving, remain supremely comfortable for long journeys. Rear seat passengers, though limited in space, will still find the accommodations luxurious by any standard. Driving the 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed is an experience that transcends mere transportation. Every element, from the visceral roar of the W12 engine to the tactile delight of the leather-wrapped steering wheel, is designed to engage and inspire. It's a car that commands attention and rewards its driver with an unmatched blend of power, elegance, and sophistication. Whether you're gliding through city streets, tackling a challenging mountain pass, or cruising down the highway, the Continental GT Speed delivers an unparalleled sense of occasion. It represents the ultimate expression of Bentley's vision for grand touring, a car that is as thrilling to drive as it is to behold. The 2025 Bentley Continental GT Speed isn't just a car, it's a statement of intent, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a testament to the art of automotive engineering. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.